Okay, this is a new charging network I'm going to try, Francis Energy. I think this is the only chargers they have in Ohio. I'm in the Hocking Hills area, or just north of the Hocking Hills area. It's probably the only commercially available chargers that there are, fast chargers, other than some at some car dealerships. So I'm going to get hooked up with my CCS adapter and get in the app and get hooked up. Here's that adapter. I'm going to get into the app now and get the station activated and then plug in. All right, got hooked up. The cable's nice and long. Looks like their cable management has started to fail already. These cables are extremely thick and extremely rigid when it's cold. So it wasn't very easy to get that plugged in. Let's see what it says. I'm only pulling 52 kilowatts, but that's because it's cold. It's like under 20 degrees, and I didn't get to preheat. All right, well, probably only be here for a little while. Just wanted to give it a try. Show you where we are. We're at a Sunoco station, right off of Route 33 on Horns Mill Road. Here's the back side of the charger. There's cabinet markings. And they have a Tim Hortons here, so it's a good stop for food and bathroom and charging.